Chinese government has confirmed support for XRP to $20,000. But XP's failures are also related to the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple. But, as it became known, Ripple can count on the support of the US presidential administration. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Recently, there have been rumors that Alibaba contains a Ripple validator node. Ripple claims that this is not the case, but confirms that it is indeed preparing to enter the Chinese market. This is not surprising. Of course, Ripple wants to enter China, just like any other fintech company in the world that is aware of the scale and prospects of this step. And if Alibaba, or rather one of the divisions, does contain a node, then it would be wiser to deny this fact so as not to prematurely cause an increase in the token rate, which in turn may affect the terms of the transaction. In addition, if Alibaba does not contain a node, this does not mean that the companies are not discussing the possibility of cooperation. Indeed, the creation of such a partnership looks reasonable, and not only for these two companies. For Ripple, a San Francisco-based company that has raised almost $100 million to create an interbank transfer system, the opportunity is more than attractive. China's global trade volumes are growing, and with them the problems associated with cross-border payments, including capital controls, rapidly changing laws and relatively high fees. In addition, the growth of China's cross-border e-commerce, which already accounts for almost 20% of the country's foreign economic activity, requires fast and cheap cash flows. However, the formation of cooperation with any major bank in China seems to be a short-sighted decision, given the participation of the state and the barrier for foreigners to enter the system. Creating a connection with one of the internet giants interested in new technologies and having an extensive user base is a much more effective step to enter the market. However, large internet companies have their own payment channels and can cooperate with banks. Ripple primarily develops interbank solutions, not client solutions. Nevertheless, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently stated that he expects his company to start providing services in the individual consumer market within 5 years. Given Alibaba's large-scale structure and global ambitions, a variety of applications can be found within the company for blockchain technology. Such work is already underway. However, of all the companies working in this field, Ripple can choose Ant Financial, which offers the most obvious short-term benefit. Recently, CEO Ant Financial gave an interview to CNBC, in which he confirmed that the company is considering the possibility of using blockchain to form the basis of Alipay, which has captured the mobile payments market of China, estimated at $5.5 trillion. Another opportunity to create a joint project is Alibaba's global e-commerce platform, the creation of which was announced last year. The company is going to use it to establish bilateral ties between China and independent trading partners. The platform will be used for the delivery of goods, the discussion of tariffs and, please note, the implementation of cross-border electronic payments. There may be other participants who want to take advantage of the Ripple system. For example, the actions of Chinese regulators indicate that they want to raise the transparency of operations to a new level as soon as possible. Last week, the People's Bank of China by order introduced control over all third-party mobile payments, which should begin to pass through the central platform by June next year, which will allow the regulator to receive information about payments and monitor illegal transactions. It is unlikely that something will change in the near future. There are also opportunities for the use of blockchain. Ripple's solution will allow transactions to be carried out without the need for centralized clearing, while at the same time allowing regulators to monitor cash flows. Defense attorney James K. Fillon shares an update in the SEC lawsuit that seems to put Ripple at crossroads. The XRP price wavers at 76 cents, down 0.71% in the last 24 hours. The recent update in the lawsuit saw the SEC file a letter of supplemental authority in support of its motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense, relying on the verdict from the case with similar fair notice arguments. According to attorney Jeremy Hogan, who had earlier predicted a closure to the SEC lawsuit in April 2022, the SEC has a high burden to meet since it is trying to strike the affirmative defense of fair notice. He noted in a thread of tweets that the precedent set in the case of SEC v. Fife are quite different from the ongoing Ripple SEC lawsuit. Last year, toward the end of December in the case of SEC v. Fife, a court ruling denied the defendant's motion to argue fair notice in order to dismiss the lawsuit. In an earlier development, the Southern District of New York U.S. Federal District Court released the transcript of a July 15, 2021, telephone conference before Judge Netburn, in which the SEC's motion to quash the Hinman deposition was argued. As U.Today reported, the expert discovery was slated to close on January 14, with the last expert deposition on January 19, so it seems as though this surprise move from the SEC comes earlier than the itinerary of events. XRP entered into a triangular range shortly after reaching highs of $1.34 on November 10. Although it posted a recovery toward the close of 2021, it was unable to close decisively above the December 23 high of $1.01. At the time of publication, XRP was teetering at 76 cents in line with the general downward market trend. A bullish reversal from this point might produce a 44% rise, sending the eighth largest cryptocurrency above the $1.10 mark. XRP might then journey toward a retest of the $1.41 high. Alternatively, if bulls capitulate, the 70 cents level remains the immediate support. Although the negative crossing of the moving average may seek to undermine bulls' activity, the good news is that previous XRP death crosses have signaled a major or intermediate price bottom. As the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs enters 2022, many in the XRP community expected the next judicial update to happen around January 19. However, cryptography watchers were surprised after reading the latest SEC documentation. The live XRP price today is $0.78 with a 24-hour trading volume of $2,740,000,000. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 1.94% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP can win the SEC? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.